right, special thanks to this company for sending me a set of their black slip-on tie shoes. Ooh, they're very light. Like, they weigh nothing. So these have the company logo there on my tongue, but these slide right on and have a little shoestring that you can tie as well. So quick, easy. That's what the bottom looks like. Very flexible. And of course, the other one is completely identical. This is all mesh though, so I will say if you walk in water, your foot's gonna get soaked. That's pretty natural with these, but they'd be good for you know, just a nice day out walking, not running or anything. But a normal walking day would be ideal for these little shoes. Let me throw them on my feet and we'll see what they look like. All right, so I've wore these and I can definitely say after wearing them for about 6 or 7 hours, they're not bad shoes. I like that I didn't wear socks with them. That made them a little more comfortable to me. That's just my own personal preference, but no complaints. Good shoes. Stayed on my feet well. Felt nice. I like them.